right, so I'm going to show you how to create a hidden wall, or have a moving wall drop down to reveal some other part of your room. So the first thing I need to do is build a wall. Let's get a wall in here. And we're going to cover up that this back wall here. When you're building walls and things like that, I like to use the snap grid. When I'm building rounded shapes, I tend not to. So let's make it the right height, like all the way to the ceiling, and the right width from side to side. Goes outside the room, I don't care that much. And you can see it is going pretty much to the top. It is going from one side all the way to the other. There's no way to get around it, no way to get over it. Okay, now to code something, you need to give it a name. So I'm going to double click on the wall, and I'm going to go where it says name, and I'm just going to call it whatever I want. Wall works for me because this will be the only thing on here. When you start putting a lot of things into a scene, you might want to think about more carefully about what you name them. But in this case, I just need wall, and I'm going to go into my code. So we're going to need some sort of, I want to do this on some sort of action, right? Or I mean event. So when I activate, and we'll make this really simple. When I click on the wall, what's going to happen? Transitions. And we're just going to move the wall. How many meters? Oh, well, we said the wall was how many meters tall? Let's just take a look real quick. It's 4 meters tall, so we want to make sure it gets all the way down. So let's do 6 meters. We're going to move it down. And I'm going to do it slow enough so you can see it move. So 4 seconds. So now I'm going to go to play. Here I am. I click on my wall. It's actually going a lot faster than I would like. I'm going to slow it down. I want it to be 10 meters, 5 seconds. And now come back, we'll click on our wall. It's still going down pretty fast, but you get the idea. And the lower you do it, the slower the longer the time, the slower the wall will take to go down. So that's how you make a hidden wall or hidden piece of a room with a wall, a descending wall in CoSpaces.